Let's go and see if we can get this thing on. As you see, it's metal. You see any leaks? Hello and welcome back. Today we're going to do something that you think probably isn't all that hard. And in this case, it's not going to be. But for those of you who want to know how to switch out a water supply line for a toilet, you're in luck. Because I have to get one done. Because mine is an old metal one. Mine's not flexible like this one. But this one is. So this is the FluidMaster twist lock seal. In other words, when I get on there, you'll see me turn it and it click. Once it clicks, supposedly it is nice and sealed. Now that's the part that goes up to the bowl. The type that goes to the water line, the end, is just the regular screw head and seal. So there are seals on the inside. This is the 12-inch version. There's 9, 12, I think there's 16 and then another one. But 9 inches was close, but it probably wouldn't be enough. That's what she said. So I went and got the 12-inch. It's gonna bend a little bit under there. Probably something like this. But at least I know I have enough length. So enough of me talking. Enough for the introduction. Let's go and see if we can get this thing on. Now, as you see, I got an adjustable wrench, which is what they suggest you have. But because this is a 5/8 nut, I went ahead and got a 5/8 wrench. See if I can show you here. So 5/8 fits right on there really nice. But I did bring the adjustable wrench just in case I have problems with the old one. Oh, and by the way, this isn't dirt. That's just areas of the tank that wasn't painted. So, in case you were wondering. Alright, so first thing first, of course, you have to flush the toilet. Get as much water out as you can. And then turn it off right there. So, turn that off. Now, of course, you want to put a rag down the bottom here to catch the water. If you had a really tiny, small bucket to put down there, that would probably be even better yet. I don't have that. At least, not that wouldn't cover up the video. So, we're going to try to do this, probably get a little messier than normal. But we're going to go ahead and get this done. See if we can take the 5/8 wrench, loosen things up down here. Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. There is going to be a lot of water coming out of here because there's water in this line. Now it's loose enough, I can just go ahead and twist it with my fingers. And you see the water start to come out. Okay. Then up here. Go ahead and loosen that up. Come on, I thought it was already loose down here, but I guess not. There we go. Okay, so that's the old one. As you see, it's metal, pliable metal. Seals are not the best. So probably good that we changed this out anyway. And then just a hint, don't take any of this off until right at the end, because just in case things don't work right, you can send it back. So just a little hint. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and put this on the bottom. Again, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Get the thread started. And once you get it finger tight, take your wrench, tighten it up. It may take you a little while, but you'll get there. Okay, so when you think you have it fairly tight, all you do like a quarter turn more, and that should be sealed. Then you take the top, get it lined up, just start screwing it in. And keep going. You think it's tight, and then just turn some more and just keep turning until you hear a click. Okay. I don't know if that came up on camera, but it did click. And all you have to do, turn the water on. See what leaks you have, if any. And if you do, you just tighten things up, but from what I see, I think we're good. You see any leaks? I don't see any, I don't feel any. Success. And that's all there is to it. Well, thank you for coming along for the fiasco of trying to put on and fit and seal the FluidMaster 12-inch water supply line. And as always, have a great day.